Imagine standing in complete darkness, a darkness so vast that no human mind can truly comprehend it. And then, suddenly, a distant light appears, a newborn star igniting in the cold emptiness of space. That star would eventually become our sun, the heart of a cosmic family we call the solar system. But how did this family come to exist? Where did the planets come from? And why is Earth the only known world filled with life? Tonight, we travel billions of years into the past to uncover one of the greatest mysteries ever told, a story of fire, chaos, collisions, and survival. Our journey begins about 4.6 billion years ago inside a giant molecular cloud, an immense region of gas and dust drifting silently through the galaxy. This cloud remained undisturbed for millions of years until something catastrophic happened. Perhaps a nearby star exploded in a supernova, sending powerful shockwaves through the darkness. Those shockwaves compressed part of the cloud, causing gravity to awaken. Slowly, the cloud began collapsing inward, spinning faster and faster like a cosmic whirlpool. At the center, temperatures rose dramatically. Pressure increased beyond imagination, and eventually, nuclear fusion ignited. The sun was born. But around this newborn star, a swirling disk of gas and dust remained, a vast construction site stretching billions of kilometers into space. Within this disk, tiny grains of dust collided with one another, sticking together through static electricity, forming pebbles, rocks, and eventually enormous planetary building blocks known as planetesimals.
These objects smashed into each other repeatedly, creating larger and larger worlds in a process that lasted millions of years. The inner region near the sun was incredibly hot, allowing only metals and rock to survive, giving birth to Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. While farther away, temperatures were cold enough for ice and gases to accumulate, creating the giant planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. But this was no peaceful creation story. Planets collided constantly. Entire worlds were shattered and rebuilt. One such collision may have changed the fate of Earth forever. Scientists believe a Mars-sized object known as Thea slammed into the young Earth with unimaginable force, blasting debris into space. Debris that later gathered together to form our moon. Without that collision, life on Earth may never have evolved as it did. As the planets took shape, Jupiter emerged as a giant guardian and destroyer, its immense gravity sculpting the architecture of the solar system, deflecting some dangerous asteroids while hurling others inward. Many scientists believe Jupiter's influence played a crucial role in delivering water and organic materials to Earth, materials essential for life itself. Yet mysteries remain. Hidden in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter lie remnants of ancient worlds that never fully formed, frozen records from the dawn of the solar system. While beyond Neptune stretches the Kuiper belt, a distant kingdom filled with icy objects and dwarf planets, including Pluto. And even farther still lies the Oort cloud, a vast shell of frozen bodies extending nearly a light year from the sun, the true boundary between our solar system and interstellar space.
But the story does not end there. Every planet tells its own tale of wonder and terror. Mercury, scorched by relentless sunlight. Venus, transformed into a hellish furnace hot enough to melt lead. Mars, once flowing with rivers and oceans before becoming a frozen desert. Jupiter, harboring storms larger than Earth itself. Saturn, surrounded by majestic rings made of countless particles of ice and rock. Uranus, spinning sideways as if knocked over during an ancient collision. Neptune, unleashing supersonic winds across its icy atmosphere. Together, these worlds form a celestial neighborhood unlike anything else we have discovered. Yet, despite centuries of exploration, we have barely scratched the surface of their secrets. Robotic explorers have crossed billions of kilometers to photograph distant horizons, land on alien worlds, and reveal landscapes more astonishing than science fiction. But perhaps the greatest discovery is the realization that our solar system is not unique. Across the galaxy, astronomers have identified thousands of exoplanets orbiting distant stars.
Some potentially capable of supporting life, suggesting that the processes which created our world may be common throughout the cosmos. And if that is true, then somewhere among the countless stars, another civilization may be gazing into the night sky, asking the same questions we ask today, wondering how their solar system formed, where they came from, and whether they are alone. As we continue our journey through the universe, we are reminded that every atom in our bodies was forged in ancient stars. Every breath we take is connected to cosmic events billions of years old, and every planet, moon, asteroid, and comet is part of a story still unfolding. A story that began in a cloud of dust and became the solar system we call home. And perhaps the greatest mystery of all is not how the solar system was born, but what discoveries await us among its distant frontiers in the centuries to come.